Flavian Amphitheater is the original name of the Colosseum. We enjoyed biking around the Colosseum with almost nobody in our way. Did you know that the Colosseum covers 6 acres? The Colosseum took about 10 years to build, starting at 72 AD and ending at 80 AD. It was so hot while we were at the Colosseum, we were all glad that we brought the umbrella. This large building can seat 50,000 spectators during events. In order to build this Colosseum, the people back then had to drain a big lake. The Colosseum is the largest amphitheater on Earth.
I told you I'm not yours.
I think these are chips. This potato turned to soft chips.
Trying to hold on when I'm not there for you. Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go?
They're Smartie flavor.
Is that what you're getting?
Well, I have 4 choices. Okay, so like this place has 150 flavors of gelato. It's hard to choose. There's 4 choices for me. I have to try lower than down to 2. So, vanilla chocolate chip, white chocolate, Smarties, and mango. Here's Gelato. Here's mango. Here's Smarties because there's no thing over there. And here's white chocolate. We'll get 3. 1 for, I don't know what to get.
What's yours, man?
Smarties. Smarties. What's the other one? Hi. I got my usual lemon, and I tried watermelon. It tastes exactly like it.
How's it, Max? Is it good? How does this rank to every other one? Number 1. How does this rank to every other gelato place in Italy?
Florence is still my number 1. This one is number 2.
Number 2 now.
The one we had yesterday was number 3.
Wow.
I've been waiting, I've been tossed, feeling like I'm doomed to fail. Why can't anybody save me from my hell? I can't take it, I am lost, feeling like I'm doomed to fall. Why can't anybody take me from it all?
So we're going into Pantheon, and Mac's temperature is getting checked. And it's Zara's turn.
I know, we'll get there. I know, life's not fair. I count my L's. Will we make it? Only time will tell. Yeah. Mixed moods, mixed drinks, trying to calm my thoughts. No sleep, stressed out, think I'm falling apart. I swear I have goals, but these days I'm digging up holes, searching for something to help me out. I swear that I reach out, but hands not found. Been on my own, but all we know, we're in control. I know, we'll get there. I know.
The Pantheon is the best preserved building in Rome.
Will we make it? Only time will tell. I know, we'll get there. I know, life's not fair. I count my L's. Will we make it? Only time will tell.
The Pantheon Dome remains the single largest unreinforced concrete dome in the entire world. The Pantheon holds the tomb of Raphael.
Way down, writing that I won't drown. No waves come and they crush down. Just hoping that I'll stay around. But I feel like I'm not sure. But every time I walk, I feel it more. I feel it in my heart that I'm so sore. Trying to get out, but I feel so torn. I know.
Hello.
What'd you get?
Lemon and pomegranate. Whipped cream, and chocolate chip.
You have enough cream there?
Pistachio, coconut, and whipped cream.
I don't like whipped cream. That's what
Max, you want to give it to me? You don't like it?
No, I like it. Dripping.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time.
This water fountain is the main source of water most Romans back then used.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Okay, Max, Zara, what are you guys having?
What's the bread called again?
Porchetta.
The meat is porchetta and the bread is focaccia. Focaccia.
And what type of meat is it?
Porchetta. Pork something. Yeah.
Buon appetito.
And then what are you drinking?
Fanta.
What do you have in your water bottles?
This one's normal free water that came from a machine on the side of the road.
So what did you get?
I got normal water and over there is
You should get it
There's
all.
the natural and easy sparkling water. Free, right there, and also fueling station.
and this is sparkling water that came from a machine on the side of the road. They're free.
They're free in Rome. They have free sparkling water dispensers on the road, right? With fresh water. You like it? Max, you alright, buddy? What happened?
While it's warm.
The first time I lit up a lighter, I held it for too long and then my finger got burned.
Is it getting better with the Fanta?
Hi. I got lemon here. I had 3 scoops this time because it's one of my last gelatos. My parents said so. Because we're leaving Rome soon. Lemon, watermelon, and pomegranate. And where you go?
So, I don't know which scoop is which because they all look the same. I got vanilla chocolate chip, Kinder, and Smarties with whipped cream on top.
Shine on me. out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new.
This is the original Pinocchio shop.
You say I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that.
Did you know that Julius Caesar was cremated here in the Roman Forum?